There's just something about road trips that help bond a relationship, whether it be family, friend, or loved one. However, not if you take a road trip without car gadgets. They can end up being mind-numbingly boring, being stuck in traffic or looking at miles on miles of fields. Scarier still, imagine getting a dead battery and being stranded in the middle of nowhere, an instant way to kill the vibe of your road trip and put a strain on your relationship. So we've put together this video to help list some of the coolest car gadgets out there at the moment that will help make your car ride entertaining and useful car accessories that will come in handy in an emergency. Number 10. Dash cam. Nothing compares to traveling the scenic route and taking in the breathtaking scenery. You want to be able to enjoy it always. You then attempt to record a video using your phone. The view is then actually lost on you. Dash cams are fantastic because of this. While driving, you can record the memories on your dashboard and simply take in the environment with your own eyes. Dash cams are among the finest automotive technologies for another reason, though. They can shield you from harm in the event of a collision. Although it can't help you protect yourself physically, there is always a dispute over who is to blame if you collide with an irresponsible driver. With your dashcam footage, you can capture exactly what happened, meaning you could save thousands of dollars on your insurance too. Number 9. Hudway Drive Head-Up Display. The Hudway Drive Head-Up Display, your personal Top Gun co-pilot for the wide road, is now available. You can feel like a fighter pilot while driving around the city thanks to this awesome device that projects all of your important driving information onto the windshield. Just sit back, unwind, and let this cutting-edge device direct you. No more straining to see the tiny phone screen or fumbling with maps. You won't need to take your eyes off the road to see real-time navigation, speed alerts, or even incoming calls when using Hudway Drive. It's like having the technology of a secret spy at your fingertips, well, rather right in front of your face. And who wouldn't want to feel like James Bond when driving? Let's face it. But wait, there's more. This genius gadget works in any weather, from sunny skies to rain-soaked streets, so you'll always have a clear view of your journey, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. So, say goodbye to those old-school maps and hello to the future of driving with Hudway Drive. It's time to hit the road, Maverick style, and let this high-tech wonder transform your everyday commute into a thrilling adventure. Happy flying driving. Number 8. Moki door. Step, for those of us who are vertically challenged or simply need a leg up in life, meet the Moki door step, a great solution. With the help of this ingenious device, which you can attach to your car's door latch, you may use it as a stepladder right away. No more awkwardly hopping around, reaching for the roof, or fumbling with your gear's ties. Now you can easily access your rooftop cargo, clean the roof of your car without bending over backward, or even enjoy a picnic on your car because, well, why not? Your feet and back are in good hands thanks to the Moki door step. It's the ultimate convenience for adventurers and practical folks alike. A must-have tool for all the shorties out there who dream of conquering heights without the hassle. So raise the roof, or in this case, lower it with the Moki door step, your trusty car climbing companion. Say goodbye to awkward maneuvers and hello to newfound convenience on the go. Climb on and drive tall with Moki door step. Number 7. Portable jump starter kit. Let's discuss another couple of car gadgets that are useful car accessories to have for practical reasons rather than for entertainment. Whilst we'd like to hope that if we break down on the side of the road, someone chivalrous will come and save the day and jumpstart our car, we cannot guarantee it. So why not take this risk out of the equation and have a portable jump starter kit in your car? They essentially act as a backup battery source that you can clamp onto your car's battery when it dies. Some will even test your battery and alternator and tell you what's going wrong. Number 6. Keto. Turn your smartphone into a car key. The innovative device that transforms your smartphone into the ultimate automobile remote is the mobile-controlled smart automobile key, Keto. You no longer need to search for traditional keys because you can easily unlock and lock your car doors with a single tap on the screen of your phone. But there's more. To ensure a comfortable ride, regardless of the weather, this smart key goes above and beyond by enabling you to remotely start your car's engine. Additionally, you won't ever forget your keys again thanks to helpful reminders, protecting you from those terrible locked-out situations. With the mobile-controlled smart car key, which transforms your smartphone into the key to a seamless and joyful driving experience, you can experience the future of control and convenience. Number 5. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. The amazing Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit is a game-changing solution for drivers dealing with the terrifying nightmare of a flat tire. This capable equipment can easily deliver you from the grips of deflation, making it a superhero in a little box. The Slime Kit, which is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, works miracles in an emergency and can swiftly and effectively seal punctures. Its enchanted sealant works like a charm to quickly repair tire holes, sparing you the trouble of having to change tires or wait for roadside help. The Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit comes with straightforward, user-friendly instructions that make it simple to use even for individuals who are less mechanically inclined. No more worrying about flat tires on your commutes or road excursions. Slime is a need for any emergency since it allows you to confidently travel up to 500 miles on a repaired tire. So, the next time you experience the dreaded hiss or wobble, use the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit to your advantage and handle situations with ease. Stay prepared and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having this amazing device at your disposal to avoid letting flat tires dampen your spirit. Safe travels. Number 4. Michelin Uptis Airless Tires. What if you have tires that have no risk to get punctured? The Michelin Uptis airless tires stand out from conventional tires thanks to their groundbreaking airless design. This groundbreaking design does away with the requirement for air pressure, providing worry-free driving with no chance of flats or blowouts. These tires are made of durable materials and offer great durability, managing varied road conditions without sacrificing performance. Uptis tires from Michelin have undergone extensive testing to ensure they fulfill the highest safety standards, giving drivers a safe and dependable journey. These airless tires help to reduce waste and encourage environmental responsibility because of their environmentally beneficial and sustainable nature. With the Michelin Uptis airless tires, embrace the advancements in tire technology and enjoy a smoother, safer, and more environmentally friendly drive. Number 3. CarAide Multi-Tool 3X. Introducing the CarAide Multi-Tool 3X, the Swiss Army knife of car gadgets. This versatile tool is like having a superhero sidekick for your car, ready to save the day in any roadside emergency. Equipped with not 1, not 2, but 3 life-saving features, the CarAide Multi-Tool 3X is a true automotive hero. Need to jumpstart your car? No problem. It's got built-in jumper cables to revive your dead battery. Flat tire? Fear not. The tire inflator will have you back on the road in no time. And for those unexpected moments, the built-in power bank ensures your phone stays charged, so you can call for help or stream your favorite road trip tunes. Compact and easy to store, this mighty multi-tool is a must-have for every car owner. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a daily commuter, the CarAide Multi-Tool 3X is your reliable companion on the road. So say goodbye to worries and hello to peace of mind. Let the CarAide Multi-Tool 3X be your trusty sidekick, ready to leap into action whenever your car needs a little superhero help. Happy driving, fellow road warriors. Number 2. TrapTap Speed Indicator. The smart little device that keeps you one step ahead of speed traps and tickets is the TrapTap Speed Indicator. This ingenious device acts as your very own traffic-savvy co-pilot, alerting you to potential speed traps in advance. You won't ever have to be concerned about radar detectors or cunning speed cameras again if you have TrapTap on your dashboard. With the use of GPS technology, this clever device can warn you when you're getting close to a known speed trap spot, giving you the opportunity to reduce your speed and prevent any unpleasant surprises. But there's more. In order to keep you safe and informed at all times, TrapTap also provides configurable warnings for a variety of road hazards and school zones. No more keeping an eye out for elusive police cars or stressing out about letting your slowness get the better of you. This practical device, which is simple to install and easy to operate, is a game changer for motorists who want to drive under the speed limit. So, with the TrapTap Speed Indicator, your hidden weapon against the forces of the speed trap, say goodbye to speeding tickets and hello to stress-free driving. Happy motoring, Speedy Explorer number 1. GPS Navigation Systems. GPS navigation systems are gadgets that help you navigate to your destination without getting lost. These devices are particularly useful for long road trips or unfamiliar routes. GPS navigation systems provide turn-by-turn directions and can alert you to traffic and road closures. Some models also come with real-time weather and traffic updates, making it easier to plan your route. And now, before we rev up and drive away, here's a little driving-related humor to put a smile on your face. Why don't scientists trust atoms while driving? Because they make up everything, including traffic jams. Remember, folks, life's a highway, and with these fantastic gadgets, your journey will be smoother, safer, and more enjoyable than ever before. So buckle up, embrace the tech-savvy road ahead, and let the laughter and good times roll. Happy driving and gadget-glorious adventures to you all.